Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you create amazing designs using Canva. Today, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful and calming meditation guides with Canva. Whether you're a meditation coach, a wellness blogger, or just want to share some peaceful vibes, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and start designing. Choose a calming template. First, open Canva and search for ebook guide in the search bar. Canva has lots of templates that are perfect for meditation guides. Choose one with a calming color palette and a clean, simple layout. This will set the tone for your guide and make it inviting for readers. Customize the cover page. Let's start with the cover page. Replace the placeholder text with your guide's title, something soothing and reflective of your meditation theme, like Mindful Moments or Journey to Inner Peace. Add a tranquil image, like a sunset, a serene landscape, or a person meditating. You can find beautiful, free images right in Canva's library. Design the inner pages. Next, we'll work on the inner pages. Break your guide into sections or chapters, each focusing on a different aspect of meditation. For each section, use calming fonts and soft colors. Add simple graphics like lotus flowers, mandalas, or other peaceful symbols to enhance the design without overwhelming the reader. Keep the text clear and easy to read, and include plenty of white space to give the guide a relaxed feel. Add guided meditation scripts or tips. Now, let's fill in your guide with valuable content. Add guided meditation scripts, breathing exercises, or mindfulness tips. Make sure each section flows naturally into the next. Use bullet points or numbered lists to organize information clearly, and consider adding short, motivational quotes throughout the guide to inspire your readers. Final touches and export. Before you finish, go back and review your guide. Make sure everything looks consistent. Fonts, colors, and images should all work together to create a cohesive look. Once you're happy with the design, download your meditation guide as a PDF. Canva makes it easy to share your guide digitally or even print it out. And that's it, Genius Junkies! You've just created a beautiful meditation guide using Canva. Whether you're sharing it with clients, posting it online, or using it for your own practice, this guide is sure to bring peace and calm to everyone who reads it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.